Good evening, students. Today we are to discuss the topic sets, exercise 1.5, question number 3. Taking the set of natural number as the universal set, write down the complement of the following set. We have to take the universal set is the set of natural numbers, and we have to find the complement of set. First of all, here U is the set, universal set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers. First question, let us take A. X is an even natural number. We want to find A dash equal to U minus A. U is the set of all natural number and A is the set of all even natural number. Therefore, U minus A, the remaining numbers except the even natural numbers is the odd natural number. So X such that X is odd natural numbers. X is an odd natural numbers. This is A dash. And number 2, this is set B. X is an odd natural numbers. This is the odd natural number. We want to find the complement of set. B dash is equal to U minus B, which is equal to U is the set of all natural number and B is the odd natural number. The remaining numbers are X such that X is an even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. And this question number 3, C. X such that X is a positive multiple of 3. Here C dash is equal to U minus C. U is a set of all natural number and X is a multiple of 3. We have a multiple of 3. What's that? 3, 6, 9, and so on. Okay. The complement set is not a multiple of 3. Therefore, X such that X is a not multiple of 3. Multiple of 3, which is the complement set of the given set. And this is D. X such that X is a prime number. Set of X is a set of all natural number. Here D dash is equal to U minus D, which is equal to the set of all prime number. The remaining elements are composite number except 1. And 1 we have to write here because the set of universal set is set of all natural number. X such that X is a composite number. Composite number and X equal to 1. You have include X equal to 1 because X is 1, neither composite nor prime. So we have to include composite and X equal to 1. This is the complement of the set D. Okay, right. Refer the sum. Let us continue the sum from letter 5. Let us take the set D is equal to X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Now we want to find D dash. D dash equal to U minus D, which is equal to U is the universal set already given, the set of all natural number, minus D is the natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Therefore, D dash is equal to X such that X is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5. So this is the complement of set D. Let us take the another sum is E. E equal to, we want to find E dash. E dash is equal to U minus E, which is equal to U is the universal set of all natural number and E is the perfect square number. So x such that x belongs to a natural number, comma, x is not a perfect square. X is not a perfect square. Okay, right. And this is F. Here we want to find complement of the set F dash is equal to U minus F, which is equal to U minus F. U is set of all natural number and F is the set of all perfect cube. Therefore, x such that x belongs to n, comma, x is not a perfect cube. X is not a perfect cube. This is the complement of set F. And this one is G, let G. And we want to find the complement of G dash is equal to U minus G. U equal to the set of all natural number and G is the value. Okay, right. We have to simplify this value. X plus 5 equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Here the set is x equal to 3 element. Therefore, x such that x belongs to n, comma, x not equal to 3. Here x equal to 3, the set G is x equal to 3. But G dash is x not equal to 3. This is the complement of set. And H. This is the, let the set H, and we want to find H dash is equal to U minus H, which is equal to the set H is, we want to simplify this element, this value 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Therefore, 2x is equal to 9 minus 5. 2x equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 2. This set contains x equal to 2. But here x such that x belongs to n, comma, x not equal to 2 because this is a complement set. Here the set is x equal to 2. The complement set is x not equal to 2. Refer the sum. Exercise 1.5, question number 4. This is recap test question. If u equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and b equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, verify that a union b whole dash is equal to a dash intersection b dash. We want to prove the LHS answer and RHS answer are same or not. Number 2, a intersection b whole dash equal to a dash union b dash. This is the recap test for you. Everybody should write the test and send it to my WhatsApp number immediately. If you send it late, I will put the option. Okay, right. Do the test. Exercise 1.5, question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Number 1, a union b whole dash. Number 2, a dash intersection b dash. Number 3, a intersection b whole dash. Number 4, a dash union b dash. First of all, we have to draw Roman letter 1. This is the universal set U, and this is A and this is B. This is A and this is B. First of all, we want to find A union B the whole dash. What is A union B? This is completely A and this is completely B. The A union B is this one. But we want to the complement of A union B. A union B the whole dash. So, except the A union B areas. So, this is A union B and except the area is A union B whole dash. So, shade this region except the circle. So, this is the A union B whole dash. And number 2, A dash intersection B dash. We have a formula in De Morgan law. A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B whole dash. This is known as De Morgan law. De Morgan law. A dash intersection B dash is equal to A union B the whole dash. This is the A union B whole dash. And the second sum is also the same diagram. First sum A union B whole dash, and the second sum is also the same diagram. Draw the two diagram in Roman letter 1 and 2 and Roman letter 3. Roman letter 3 is A intersection B whole dash. A intersection B whole dash. This is U and this is A and this is B. This set is A and this is B. And A intersection B is here. This is A intersection B. The A intersection B whole dash is except the A intersection B area. So shared the region. This is A intersection B whole dash. We remove the A intersection B. Except this region only. Except this region. This is the A intersection B whole dash. Okay. This is A intersection B. And number 4, A dash union B dash. A dash union B dash also we have a De Morgan law. A intersection B the whole dash. This is known as De Morgan law. A intersection B whole dash. Draw the fourth sum also, the third sum diagram. So first second has a same diagram and draw each separate diagram. And third fourth is also same diagram. Draw the fourth diagram in third question. Okay, right. In third question and fourth question have the same diagram. First question, second question has the same diagram here. Okay, refer the sum. Exercise 1.5, question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A dash? Here U is the set of all triangles. Set of all triangles. Set of all triangle with at least one angle different from 60 degree. It means it is not an equilateral triangle. Therefore, A is the set of all triangle, not an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, A dash is equal to U minus A, which is equal to A is set of all not equilateral triangle, U is a set of all triangle. Therefore, A dash is an equilateral triangle. Set of all equilateral triangle. Okay, this is the A dash. 7. Fill in the blanks to make each of the following true statement. Number 1, A union A dash. We have discussed in the Venn diagram. This is set A, this is A dash, totally U. A union A dash. This is A and this area is A dash. We have to add both area is called U, the universal set U. And number 2, pi dash intersection A. We have a formula for pi dash in the properties pi dash is equal to u. Pi dash is equal to u. And intersection, we have to write intersection A. So the answer is u intersection A. This is completely u, and this is a subset of u. A is a subset of u. Therefore the answer is A only. Because A is a subset of u, we have to take intersection. The common region of u and A is only A. And number 3, A intersection A dash. This is A and this area is A dash. So there is no common elements, common area. So it is called pi. It is an empty set. A intersection A dash is a empty set. And u dash intersection A. Fourth one, u dash intersection A. We have a formula in property u dash is pi. U dash is equal to pi intersection here A. Therefore we have to take intersection of pi and A is called pi. Okay, refer the sum. This is an empty set and this is A, the intersection of the empty set and any set. So the answer is only the empty set. Refer the sum.